Okay, so we're going to take off the power valves. It's 4 bolts. Now we got the coolant out. I always have a habit of, when you take stuff apart, try to put the bolts back in the same spot. So first we'll it's just a good way of not losing all your nuts or bolts. Let's take a quick look at how this actually comes out so that people see it good. There's a little gasket here. You can't really screw these up, but the older ones I think you can. So this goes with this edge being on this side of the cylinder, and these pins line up here. I think the only way you can screw these up is if you turn this somehow and took it apart with the screws, put it back on, and you had it backwards. That would be probably a big no-no. So that one's off. Now we're going to just leave it. See, I don't even know if you can. Yeah, without taking it apart, you can't really turn that or spin it around by accident. So, and these pins here, these dowel pins, they fit only one, so you can't put it back on wrong. So, pretty straightforward, I think. But okay, the second one, we'll see how it comes apart. Remember, there's a gasket. Usually it's stuck, so you got to give it a little pull. And here you can see the sharp edge is on the inside. How do you explain that? The sharp edge is closest to the head, and that's just something to remember. But again, you can't really turn it around, so I'd be baffled as to how you put that in wrong. But I've heard through the grapevine that people have screwed that up and apparently put a hole through their piston, which is not good. Next thing we're going to take off is the exhaust. So we'll use the air tools for that. And that's probably a 12 mil. FYI, the power valves are 10 mil, and the exhaust here is a 12 mil. Air tools are awesome. They make things so much easier. Fits in there perfect. Put it in like that, and presto. I find these can strip these nuts if you don't do it just right. Oh, what's going on? Come on, baby. Let's go. Get off there. Stupid hose clamp is just catching just a little bit, of course. I wonder if I can push that down. There we go. This hose clamp right here was causing problems, so just had to slide it down a bit and then we were good to go.